In this video, I'll show you how to create this smooth slide effect for your text and PNGs in Premiere Pro. Here's my simple, boring text, absolutely doing nothing. It doesn't have any kind of an animation to bring it alive like we're looking for. So all you have to do is just basically go up to your effects tab. You can see that I actually already have all of these effects pre-made. So let's just say you want to slide in really quick to the right. Instead of creating this yourself, you just come over to the effect, make sure this is to the left so you don't see it, and you get a simple slide in. But let's say you don't want to make that, totally understand. You can just search up transform. It's going to be transform right here. Just drag and drop it onto the layer. Now what we can do is create that effect like I just showed you. Can we just uncheck this shutter angle, crank the shutter angle all the way up? And now let's say I wanted it to come from the bottom and pop up. So make sure your position is keyframed. Bring this all the way to the bottom. Go a few frames forward, click the reset button. It's gonna bring it to the middle, and now you get this effect. So it's just nice and pop. You can mess with the velocities by just highlighting, right clicking and hit ease in. And now you can kind of get this like fast move if you bring this right one to the left. So we can get like, we can get this type of effect. Now let's take this effect to the next level by putting it behind my head, plus add how to rotoscope your subject and put this behind it. Plus I'll show you a drag and drop hook that I use in my retention timeline pack. You can go get that down in the link in the description. And it'll basically allow you to do this all in a simple drag and drop process with sound effects already pre-made and everything. It's a really nice hook. So let's go into the website. So this is the website. You can go down link in the description. I'll have it plugged there. But basically what we want to do is click the subject. So I want to just click my face. We can grab my head too and my body. So now I have my body. Doesn't really matter if it grabs this. We're just focused really on the main part of my head. Now once you did that, you can just hit track objects. It's going to track it for me entirely. Once it's done, you can see it's already done. Hit next. Now come over to this background. I want you to just hit erase. Click like 2 more times. Make sure you have the green background and hit next again. Hit download. Now it's gonna download it. Once we download it, it'll go in Premiere Pro. I'll show you how to key out this green screen and we will create that really cool hook. Now you can see I'm rotoscoped. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search up a thing called Ultra Key. So Ultra Key right here, drag it onto it. Come to your effects tab, go to the Ultra Key, click this, key color, grab the picker, green, hit OK. It is completely gone. So as I play this, you can see that it's kind of pixelated and it has this white border. That's because 1, my footage is a little too dark for the system to properly do it. And 2, I don't have the paid version, so I can't export it in 4K like I would like to, but it does an amazing job otherwise. Now let's make that hook that took us less than like 3 seconds to create by just going over in a link description. You'll find the short form timeline pack, and it gives you all of these kind of hooks if you just want the hook, or it already has laid out entire timelines. So let's say I wanted the entire timeline already edited for me. I could grab this one that already has all the sound effects, essential, everything is laid out for you. But what hook I'm looking for is, let's see, let me go over these. I think it's this one right here. Yes, it is this one right here. So what I want to do is I want to zoom in. I wanted to grab both of these. Plus, let's just grab the zoom out also. And we want the whooshes. So I'm also going to grab the whooshes and all these effects. Right click, copy it. I'm going to come over here, paste it. Once you've copied and pasted it, align it like so. And this is the final result. You can see that it kind of comes up behind me as you rotoscope it, and it gives you that nice with all the sound effects already laid out for you. And it's absolutely perfect. Let me just show you one more time just how easy that was. Just a simple drag and drop process. And if you guys use the code BACK, it'll save you $5 off. And if you guys want to learn more effects just like this, click this video right over here.